Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So the most recent lows are still holding. Went up to the rotation zone, rotated down. Buyers stepping in still around these key lows, 35.50. Still watch if we break on a closing basis below 35.47. The levels pointed out yesterday, especially the major cluster level, 35.05. We're just going to call it 3500 then, is your first next place to watch for a reversal pattern. On any rally, the upper end of the rotation zone comes in about 36.40, and that's right where the prior support becoming resistance is. If we pop through there, then I'd watch for to return to about 3700 based off the 4-hour chart. Let's look over the daily chart. Daily chart. Let's see, you might want to tune that down a bit based off the daily, 36.72. So I'd say 36.72 to 3700 would be the next level I'd watch for on a rally. And the upper end of the rotation zone on a really strong rally coming in near the top of these candle bodies, right about 37.60. Really nothing else to report there. Minor divergence, lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. But that doesn't mean it has to recover. It could also drift sideways, and we'll watch what happens when the 8 catches up, especially on the daily. So pay attention. We've talked about it, the concept 8 pushing the price. So as 8 comes in contact with either this bar or the next bar, start watching to see if it breaks lower, because that's then a trend to go with. Or if you're only going long, then that's to watch for your lower prices in a reversal pattern lower. Switching over to Ethereum. Just slightly dipping lower, actually forming a divergence. You can see this is slightly lower, forming a divergence, just rallying up the rotation zone so far. If we get through the 8, then watch for a return to about the 121 to 121.50 area. That's the next level we watch for resistance. If we get above there, we'll return to the prior GAN and the 50 area about 125. Levels just slightly updated, but nothing major. So we have 112. Next level down, then 109.75 cluster area. Switching over to the daily chart. Daily chart. We talked about 125. You might see some minor resistance at about 123. I'd really be watching that 125 area though. And we do have a divergence setting up here. If we can get a rally again, that could just mean moving sideways and letting the 8 catch up. Same thing, you see lower low in price action, slightly higher low forming in, well, definitely here, formed in the RSI. So let's see if we manage any rally back. Again, pay attention to the daily rotation zone. Or if we drift sideways, watch what happens when the 8 comes in contact with the price. If the price holds and then closes into the rotation zone, that's a sign we're going to get some kind of rally back on. Doesn't have to be substantial because we're going against the rotation zones on the daily and the 4-hour. But at least it didn't break lower, which if you're long is a benefit. Now, if the 8 comes in contact and it breaks lower, then again, watch for these next levels and don't rush in to try to bottom pick. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.